How to prepare the best bun with raw minced pork, Mettbrötchen. In German it's called a morning roll with Hackepeter, chopped Peter, or Mettbrötchen. If you haven't tried it yet, it's hard to understand what makes mince on a bun so particularly delicate. It is the wonderful delicate texture, not so much the taste, that makes this bread topping one of the most popular in Germany. It's very hard to describe, but I think salmon tartare is a pretty good comparison to have an idea of the texture. What exactly is Hackepeter, respectively raw minced pork? Mett, minced pork or Thüringer Mett, is spiced pork twisted or minced. In Germany it has been eaten raw as a spread for over 120 years. Difference between Hackepeter, Thüringer Mett and Mettbrötchen. In principle they all describe the same spread. Raw minced seasoned pork which has a maximum fat content of 35%. In the Berlin area the term Hackepeter is mainly used. Throughout Germany the term Mett is more common. How to prepare the perfect minced pork. Of course, spices play an important role. However, only salt, pepper, caraway and garlic are used in classic Hackepeter. The perfect partner for the mince is a fresh bread roll. However, an oven-fresh rye bread with a dark crust is no less tasty a combination. The onions are diced as small as possible and spread out on a plate. Then we take a half of a bun smeared with Hackepeter and press it neatly on the onions, as seen in the video, and tap it again. However, with this and other methods, putting the onions on top, 10% of the onion pieces always end up on the floor. Alternatively, you can mix the onions into the mince beforehand with some freshly pressed garlic. The Mett roll tastes even better when it is additionally buttered. Mixed with an egg yolk is another old German method to prepare a decent mince. This snack provides long continuous energy during very physical demanding work. How much is a kilogram of minced pork? The price per kilogram is 5 to 8 euros, but you can find it regularly at the butchers in the daily specials. May I eat raw pork during pregnancy and lactation? Pregnant women are generally advised not to consume raw minced meat. Pregnant women are at risk of contracting listeria or salmonella or becoming infected with toxoplasmosis. Bacteria could enter the uterus and the growing baby's bloodstream via the mother's bloodstream. Listeriosis, which could be transmitted to the baby, could be caused by the bacteria. If this infectious disease is not treated, the fetus may die. Until 2007, the minced meat regulation stated that fresh minced meat could only be offered for raw consumption on the same day of production. Since 2007, the handling of minced meat is regulated by the Food Hygiene Regulation. Can the mince roll be deadly? According to the European Food Authority, raw pork is the most common cause of hepatitis E, a serious liver disease, HIV. I used to eat it about 1 to 2 times a week. However, I knew the circumstance with the hepatitis E, which became conscious to me only with the writing of this article. From now on, I will reduce my consumption to 1 time per month. Danke für deine Aufmerksamkeit. Bis zum nächsten Video.